Hi friends, welcome to Suja's fitness recipe. Let me share today some easy yoga poses to treat migraine headache. Come, let's begin right now. Balasana. Sit in Vajrasana. Inhale and raise your arms up. Exhale and drop your head gently on the floor. Arms on the side of your body. Breathe normally and stay 30 seconds. Come back to normal posture. Urdhva Mukha Pasasana. Lean forward, place hands on the floor with palms down. Inhale and raise your right arm. As you exhale, move your right arm under your chest and rest your shoulder on the mat. Also rest your head on the mat, facing towards left. Repeat the same, the other side. Come back to Vajrasana. Marjaryasana. In this posture, inhale deeply and raise your head and drop your belly down. Exhale, pull your belly up and chin down. In the same posture, as you inhale, raise your head, raise both your right arm and left leg. Next, left arm, right leg up. Vajrasana. Let's move to Setubandhasana. Lie down on your mat. Lie down on your back. Bend your knees. Arms holding the ankles or on the side of your thighs. As you inhale, slowly lift your back. Hold the posture 30 seconds. As you exhale, gently release the pose. Repeat this process 3 to 5 times. Let's do now Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Left hand chin mudra. Close the right nostril with the right thumb. Inhale deeply with the left. Exhale right. Same inhale. Close the right nostril with the right thumb. Exhale left nostril. This is one round. You can practice this 5 to 10 times initially and can increase. All these yoga poses brings more oxygen to your brain that helps to ease your headache and helpful in reducing stress, depression and anxiety. Also strengthen your muscles and joints. Stay healthy, stay strong. Thank you.